Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 32. My name is Walter. Today we are going to find the square root of fractions. Let us straight do question number 1, which says 81 out of 100. We're supposed to find the square root of this. The first thing, I'm going to put this into square root sign. That is equal to square root of 81 over 100. I will split it into numerator and denominator. That is going to be square root of 81 over square root of 100, which will give me square root of 81 is equal to 9 over square root of 100 is equal to 10. Let's jump to question number 2. We're supposed to find the square root of 169 out of 100. This is a mixed number. So the first thing, I'm going to change it into improper fraction. Then I'm going to find the square root of it. This will be equal to 100 times 1 equal to 100 plus 69 is going to be 169 over 100, which is equal to over 100. When I split it into numerator and denominator, is going to be square root of 169 over square root of 100, from which square root of 169 is equal to 13. So is equal to 13 over square root of 100 is equal to 10. I can change this improper fraction into mixed number, which is going to be equal to one whole number, 3 out of 10. Let us do the last question, question number 3. We're supposed to find the square root of 181 out of 144. This is a mixed number, so I'll change it first into improper fraction. This is equal to 144 multiplied by 1 is 144 plus 81. We're going to get 225 over 144. Which is equal to square root of 225 over 144, but I'll split this square root into numerator and denominator. That will be equal to square root of 225 over square root of 144. Square root of 225 is equal to 15 over square root of 144 is 12. We get the improper fraction. I'll make it a mixed number. That is one whole number, 1 out of 4. Hope you understand how to find the square root of a fraction. For more video on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.